Ready to transform your business with spiritual awakening? Maximize your online presence, connect with your audience, and activate your abundance and gratitude that aligns profit with prosperity. Hi, I'm Binahtiyah from Aware Multimedia. I create digital marketing content for spiritual entrepreneurs. If that's you, then download the ebook in the description box below to make sure you're not making the 5 mistakes spiritual businesses make online. How do you transform your business with spiritual awakening? At the core, it allows you to tap into your inner wisdom and align with your true purpose. It's all about self-discovery. From profound insights, challenges, or inner exploration, you become more aware, compassionate, and aligned with your higher self. During my spiritual awakening, I began questioning my motives for the businesses and ventures that I was doing. I had a strong desire to create something with a deeper purpose, so I began integrating spiritual practice into my daily routine, and the positive impact was undeniable. The concept of a spiritual business, it's an enterprise that emphasizes values such as integrity, authenticity, and compassion. It is mindful of its impact on society, employees, and the environment. And a spiritual business aims to create a harmonious ecosystem where everyone thrives. You may already be experiencing the stirrings of a spiritual awakening. Embrace this transformative phase. Use it as the guiding light on your journey. Here are some steps to help you along the way. Number 1, identify your purpose and passion. Don't roll your eyes. I know you've heard this before. You got to identify your purpose and passion, but it's true. What is the thing that makes you feel great? What is the thing that you can do for hours and hours and you lose track of time because you're so engrossed in it and it feels good and it's exciting to you? That is your passion. Take the time to truly explore what that is and align your values with it. Reflect on your unique gifts and how they can be channeled to serve others. During my own spiritual awakening, I discovered that I had a deep passion for guiding others during their spiritual awakening. This realization helped me to create an energy healing practice to help others on their journey. Integrating mindfulness and self-awareness. Incorporate mindfulness practice in your daily routine. Practice such as meditation, journaling, or simply spending time outdoors in nature can provide a clarity that you need to make a conscious decision for your business. As your self-awareness increases, you'll become more attuned to what your customers need. During a meditation session, I realized that my previous marketing strategy wasn't working. It felt disconnected from my spiritual values. And so I changed. I shifted my focus to storytelling to express my vulnerability, values, and experiences. Balancing your goals with spiritual values. Creating a successful spiritual business doesn't mean that you compromise on your values. Strike a balance between financial goals and ethical business practice. Embrace abundance and believe that you can thrive while maintaining your spiritual principles. 4. Cultivate a positive work culture. The energy you cultivate in your business will ripple out to everyone around you, affecting your employees, your business associates, customers, and partners alike. Embrace authenticity and transparency. Be genuine in your interactions with customers, sharing your journeys, struggles, and achievements. Transparent communication builds trust, fostering a loyal customer base that believes in your mission. Empathy is a powerful tool in business. Put yourself in your customer's shoes to understand their challenges and all the things that they're going through. Design products and services that genuinely cater to those particular needs, and let compassion guide your customer relation. As spiritual entrepreneurs, you have a unique advantage: your intuition. Listen to your inner voice when making decisions and trust your creative instinct. This intuitive approach often leads to innovative solutions and unexpected breakthroughs. Gratitude is a magnet for abundance. Appreciate the growth and progress that you've made and express gratitude for all the customers and clients that come your way. This positive energy will attract opportunities and blessings into your business. A simple yet powerful practice I encourage all my clients to do is a daily gratitude ritual. Acknowledging even the smallest blessings fosters a sense of abundance and attracts more reasons for you to be grateful. Embracing digital marketing for spiritual businesses. In today's digital age, a strong online presence is vital for your spiritual business. Here are some tips on how to leverage digital marketing for spiritual entrepreneurs to amplify your spiritual business. Utilize social media for conscious branding. Share your mission, your values, and inspiring stories. Respond to comments and messages promptly. Create meaningful content. Content marketing is a powerful tool to connect you with your audience on a deeper level. Create content content that educate, inspire, and offer values. Share your knowledge generously, establishing yourself as an authority in your niche. Email marketing allows you to communicate directly with your target audience and build lasting relationships. Craft heartfelt newsletters that offer valuable insights, updates, and exclusive offers. The path of a spiritual entrepreneur is not without challenges. You may face moments of doubt, financial challenges, or resistance from others. It's crucial to stay grounded in your spiritual principles and seek support from like-minded individuals and communities. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Surrounding yourself with a supportive community can provide the encouragement you need to persevere. As you take on the steps toward aligning your business with spiritual awakening principles, remember to be patient with yourself and trust in the process. May your spiritual awakening not only elevate your business to new heights, but bring you immense personal fulfillment and joy. Download your ebook in the description box below to make sure you're not making the 5 mistakes spiritual businesses make online. If you have found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, comment, and consider subscribing to this channel. Remember to hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. Want to read the full blog article? Click on the link below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.